Row in the direction you are facing. The world's best forward rowing system with built-in linkage and blade feathering. Over the past 100 years, over 250 patents have been filed for forward rowing systems. Neither is practical due to an inadequate empennage system. The RowVista forward rowing system provides the same performance as traditional rowing configurations. The adjustable footrest limits rearward movement so you can paddle without leg straps. It is very convenient if you want to paddle barefoot in the summer. I bet your umbrella is not as cool as the Has umbrella. This is a motorized umbrella with location tracking and loss prevention features. At the push of a button, the umbrella automatically opens, closes, and retracts. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, so you'll be alerted when your umbrella is lost. Hayes Umbrella has a built-in rechargeable battery. The companion app also notifies you of the latest weather forecast, so you'll be prepared for what's ahead. Overview of the Cinch Hub pop-up tent. Although some people think that pitching a tent is part of the adventure, but most people don't want to spend a lot of time trying to set up a tent, frustrated by complicated construction and hard to follow instructions, especially if it is dark, windy, or raining. This is why pop-up tents can be popular, as they offer you a solution to easily set up your tent in no time and not worry too much about any complex setup. Smart Suitcase Bluesmart is a new technology in the production of suitcases. You can find out the weight of your luggage using the application, a special program which makes it possible to set and remove the lock from the locks of the suitcase, control the weight, track the location, and also calculate the distance separating you from your luggage. All you need is an internet connection to sync the app with your next flight and flight restrictions. The Bluesmart app will let you know if there will be any overweight fees, so you don't have to unpack your luggage in front of the check. In desk, the Smart Suitcase is made of impact-resistant 3-layer Macrolon polycarbonate that provides reliable protection for your belongings. The capacity of the bag is 34 liters. At the same time, there is a compression system that allows you to put everything you need in a suitcase and not limit yourself. New Seatylock iron, a saddle that transforms into a bicycle lock. Quite often, bicycles are stolen not entirely, but for parts. And one of the details that most often attracts the attention of villains is just the saddle. He unscrewed it and went on. In the latitudes of the Cis, the phenomenon is not yet common, but in poor Europe and the States, it is a more popular activity for local natives. The Seatylock debuts this year's Eurobike. This device does not look much different from a conventional bicycle saddle. It attaches to the seat post through an adapter, so it is easy to install on most modern bikes. PissPad is a project that was cancelled on Kickstarter, but before its future was flushed down the toilet, it promised to be the most fun, masculine public toilet ever. At least from a legal standpoint, the PissPad would fit in the bottom of any regular urinal and look like a plastic mesh drain cover. But inside the grid, there were supposed to be detectors and a wireless radio that determined the exact coordinates of the jet, hit and transmit them to a smartphone or tablet. BIONIC boots. Since adolescence, Ki Seymour has admired ostriches' incredible speed. Capable of reaching a top speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour, Seymour was determined to discover the secret to their speed. His solution: super boots that literally add bounce to your stride, increasing your strength and speed. After many years and a dozen prototypes, Seymour came to the show to showcase the latest version of his bionic boots. This prototype accelerates its pace to 40 kilometers per hour. In case you're wondering, the fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt, has a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour. The company hopes to eventually add pistons to its high-end aluminum and carbon fiber boots to help people reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Would you like to run like this? SmartMat is an intelligent yoga mat that will help you take your art to the next level, suitable for yoga lovers who prefer to practice on their own at home. The first time you use the SmartMate, it will guide you through a series of movements to calibrate your body shape, size, and personal limitations. All sensors are connected to the application on your smartphone via a Bluetooth connection, which allows you to track the dynamics of classes, as well as optimize the training program based on the individual characteristics of each. Advanced sensor technology SmartMate detects when you're out of alignment and gives you real-time information on how to correct your posture. DARMA is a digital health company. Our cloud service changes the paradigm of continuous patient monitoring from alarm and warning to prediction and prevention. Our clinically proven solutions consist of non-contact bed and chair sensors. For measuring heart rate, respiration, bed occupancy, and sleep, we help people take responsibility for their health and lead a healthy lifestyle. The SONICable smart cable allows you to charge your smartphone twice as fast. If, like me, you sometimes wait patiently for your smartphone to fully charge, you might be interested in a new smart cable called SONICable. It has been specifically designed to charge any device twice as fast as a standard cable. The SONICable smart cable has a number of features that make it stand out from the standard charging cable. The design and materials used in its construction allow it to last longer and be stronger than any charging cable on the market, according to its creators. The SONICable smart cable is also MFI certified and available with a lightning connector for iPhone or Micro Easy for Android.
KANGOO jump shoes offer one of the newest fitness experiences that can be both fun and rewarding for kids and adults at the same time. The boots are designed to provide runners and professional athletes with an alternative to regular athletic shoes with less stress of the joints. To make it sound simple, it's a pair of boots with springs attached to the outsoles, and every time your boot hits the ground, the spring absorbs the impact and then forces the knee back up. During this process, you will burn twice as many calories as compared to just walking, and also you'll train and keep in shape your abs, thighs and glutes. These boots are also very popular in circles of leading fitness and sport medicine professionals. Pocket Slingshot. Pocket Shot is not just an ordinary slingshot. It is an incredible device which is very easy to use. It also possesses more power than any slingshot you have ever had in your hands. Pocket Shot is quite compact. It fits perfectly into a pocket and is ready for use in a matter of seconds. It uses steel balls of 8 mm in diameter as ammunition, and the larger the ball, the longer the rubber band will serve its purpose. The slingshot can use not only balls, it can be easily tweaked for shooting arrows using a special device. For marksmen who want more accurate shooting, there is a special device which allows you to pull and aim like a pro, and significantly increases accuracy when using the pocket shot. Bansey are indestructible sneakers that cannot be destroyed even with a hammer blow. The sneakers look like regular sports shoes and you can wear them every day without worrying about safety of your feet. These sneakers will protect you from all type of impact, for example, a hammer or a brick, or even more so from sloppy people who tend to step on the feet of others. Bansey shoes are made of a breathable, water-repellent material that can even endure high temperatures. Inserted steel plates were designed to protect the toes, feet and ankles from extreme external forces. The special construction absorbs the energy of impact and protects the wearer from serious injuries. Not only construction workers, but also firefighters and first responders can benefit from this type of shoes. Fissot Modular Fishing Kayak is a motorized kayak that has been around on the market for almost several years. It's got no competitor models in its niche and has received praise from many clients. Fissot Fishing Kayak has a frame made of commonly used polypropylene that supports two fenders and a hull. The stability of the fishing kayak is also greatly enhanced by side fenders that can be engaged to distribute the kayak's weight. In the middle part, there is an adjustable bar that provides support when the rower or fisherman stands in an upright position. In addition to this, Fissot Fishing Kayak has also a 12-volt battery that provides enough power for the engine. It can last for 2 to 3 hours after being recharged for the same amount of time. The resulting electrical power of the whole system is 480 watts.
Meet Skoog, an instrument that is easy to play. Touch it, shake it, squeeze it, twist a little. Just plug it into your computer's use port and play. Regardless of your musical skill or physical ability, Skoog's software lets you adjust the instrument's sensitivity to suit your playing style, which means anyone can play along to their favorite tunes or use apps like GarageBand to discover a whole new world of amazing music and sound